Ang pwedeng umalis si Brynil Kate Crawler.
Kopya ka, Brunil.
Straight to M,
Lalaro
as
daw si
usual.
Mayor.
Just take them,
Discord ko siya dito.
so we can jump to 9.
Sorry.
Si Mayor. Sige, sir.
Dapat.
Wala.
Eh, kung wala siyang Discord dito,
Double check your settings guys and your cards.
sayan yan.
Double check everything.
Hindi niya inaayos. Papunta na ako, M-Prom ako. Pinapa-double check lahat. Food trip, food trip, food trip, food trip.
Makakatalong kayo, no?
Hindi po, may barabas ako.
Ayaw nga pa.
Jump to 3 guys, jump to 3.
3.
Straight to M as well. Let's
Sabay tayo.
take this
Dami na
before
yung
M
pero
for fake.
50 na.
Straight to M. Straight to M.
Pag ano kayo, iyo, may quagmire lapag niya. Pampabagal.
Babalaan. Tapos bukas ako.
Chip lang ng ship. Quaggy lang ng quaggy.
Just
Quagmire.
run straight to M guys. Go.
Correct time
If we
daw.
take these 3, let's hold.
Take
After
3,
taking
hold 3.
Number 3, castle 3, we will hold it until the bounty response.
Until
Then
the
we
break
will
of dawn
play from
daw.
there.
Until the break of dawn. Nan.
Raid 1 is English party, raid 2 is
Nana.
rage. So please don't be confused.
Madami na dito.
WSM?
Sa
Laglag. Laglag si Prince.
It's fine, let's attack.
Atakayin natin 3
We got it first.
Kopya po.
Huwag niyo yung delay.
Let's attack so we can gauge our damage as well versus Emperor. Come to 3. Re-enter guys.
Kita-kits 3 daw. Titimplahin daw yung Emperor. Wow,
Enter
Emperor.
3, enter 3. Let's gauge our DPS against theirs. Go.
Uy, Borhat.
We have 4 minutes, so let's play slowly. Everyone, RG to soil first.
RG
If
soil
you
daw tayo,
make it to soil, don't enter yet. Let's wait for our other guildmates so we can enter as a guild.
Kunin ko yung wind habang inaantay
There's
kayo
no
sa
bounty
side.
anyway, so we can go inside.
Okay, tapos na yung wind. Moving out soil.
Okay. Wait sa soil. Wait. 30 we will enter. Give
10 seconds daw, papasok
members
tayo.
10 seconds to catch up.
8:30.
Pagpasok nyo, huwag nyo kalimutan
Left,
mag-dispel ah.
Let's enter from the right, guys. Go.
Kanan,
Go,
kanan,
go,
kanan.
Go enter. Right side, enter right side.
Enter right side.
Enter right side.
Pwede dispel ah.
Entering.
Dispel, tapos
After
galaw ka kanan.
spawning guys, run to the right. Run to the right. Right. Don't stay at the spawn. Just play from here.
Dito tayo lahat.
Auto na rin
Just
kayo.
push them guys.
Abante,
Push,
abante
push.
lang.
Push to 4.
ano.
They're not defending. Okay, push to 4. Check 4 if there's enemy. Okay, push again.
Checking, pushing.
Guys, push to 5. Push to 5.
Gusto
Don't
daw
play on
mag-5
4.
ah.
You will
Gusto daw
get
mag-5.
dragged out.
Dispel
Run
tapos
to 5,
ship.
run to 5.
Dispel
We
ship.
will push on 5. Okay, you should be at the 5 stairs, ah. Okay, we're at the 5 stairs. 5 seconds.
5 na.
We will push. 3,
Yeah, pushing ako.
1. Go. Push them.
Pushing na daw ah, pushing na daw.
Slowly push.
Loki at the back kapag.
Push Dorams, Karon.
Doram.
Dorams, push.
LP ako.
Guys, don't
LP
stay
ko
at
muna
the
dito,
stairs.
galing
Go
na
down.
Go down daw, go down daw,
guys,
go down daw. Huwag daw kayo may iwan
Don't
dyan.
play at the stairs. Go down. You can go down. Go down. Push them.
Go down, going down.
Push them, guys. Push them.
Pinupush ah.
Nang lagi.
Pushing tayo ah, pushing tayo ah, pushing tayo.
Nag-low ako sa left side ng M.
We're wiping them. Nice. Hit them. Paladin, hit them. Everyone else, defend Paladin. Use your skills on them.
Paladin M.
So they cannot push our Paladin.
Depensahan niyo yung Paladin.
Breaking.
Damn, guys.
Mercy.
Reso daw si Gepong. Kaninong pari si Gepong?
Nice.
Pushing
keep
tayo, ah.
Keep pushing.
Pushing ako ah. Pushing ako ah.
Throwing skills on them.
Oo, umaangat sila sa ano, sa may spawn nila. Kaya naiipon na sila doon. Nagsa-cyclewave,
Nice,
nagsa-cyclewave doon sa may area nila. Nagkakalat.
Yeah, nandito ako sa
Pangat pa nung
likod
ano?
ng hagdan nila.
Pangat pa kami nung...
Good job, nice. Let's hold guys, let's hold.
Hold daw
Wait for the
tayo.
Ano yung Loki.
We have 1 minute and 30 seconds to hold.
1 minute 30, hold.
Good job, good job.
Punta ako labas ah.
Ay, masabi ka.
Unchecking the map first. Like,
Hindi, wala naman bounty. Nakabang lang bounty to man.
Pelona.
Pag bounty, papasok ako dyan.
High yield, nothing. And there's a 60 plus, Pelona 60 plus. Everyone should be at ano.
Absent season.
Everyone should be at Jade Port. You need to see how many is playing.
Si Sena. Wala talaga yung pare.
Punta daw sa Jade Lata.
You're
Jade,
64.
Jade.
Should be 78.
You got your mama
Where's the 40
style.
people? Some may be absent.
Kung
Where's
di rin
the-
kayo magsasalita dito,
Early
doon na lang kayo kay Dave. Kaya lang naman tayo umiwalay para makadada kayo. Trag nandito sa win, may dalawa trag.
Okay na.
Nakita
Guys,
tayo.
when we're
Babaw
defending
dyan,
them,
babaw dyan.
please do not chase. Just stay near them. Do not chase them outside. Do not wait at the portal as well. It's fine. The one na we should be defending is not the portal. It should be them.
Kapag-eagle.
As long as we have them, we will have the bounty. They can enter all day
Sana
one.
sundan mo si Trag para may heal siya.
Nasa
So
labas
mamaya
siya
pag bounty,
Nasa-
ano na tayo ha?
Nasa
Imperium
labas
lang
siya.
daw.
Nasa window ko, nasa window.
Hindi
Next
pa
Imperium na yan.
Okay lang.
Nasa M ako. Nakadep lang.
And bounty.
May bounty tayo.
Wala.
Wala.
7 nagsimula yung bounty.
Yung 22, kung kukunin natin.
Okay guys, hold.
Hold.
Check,
Level
wait,
3 lang
check
naman.
where did the bounty spawn. There's no bounty at Castle 1 again. Shit.
Level 1 pala.
Raid 2, can you attack 23? Raid
23.
2, attack 23. Send some
Sige,
party at 23. 23, 18, and 17. You decide.
23.
Not everyone, not everyone.
Nasa
Only
23 ako dako.
Sige, kaya na. Si Maria din pwede eh. kasi
everyone
si
else,
Ace,
we will
Tatlo yung
go
sinabi,
attack,
Doc.
checking. Everyone else, we will attack 7. Everyone else, we will attack 7.
Anong adjutant
Try
na
to
sila?
send 1 or 2 parties on the
23.
level 1 bounties. You decide who. Everyone else should come with 7.
Ito 23 ako,
Zero,
party
go.
ko.
Go to 7, guys. Jump.
Dok,
Sige,
sa mo
pasabi pa.
kinalat yung iba?
Jump to 7. Straight to soil.
Si Maria daw.
Run to soil, guys.
Ikaw.
May tatlo siyang pinapabanat na ano, bounty
Dalawa
one.
lang, one.
Straight to soil, guys, Run straight to soil.
1 to 2 lang, 1 to 2 lang. Sabi.
Ace, rekta tayo Ace. Ikaw yung breaker namin Ace. Shit,
Fine,
wala
fine.
si
Just
Ace.
run.
Ibang Discord.
Emp na ako ah.
Saan kayo pumunta, Dok?
Okay, pagsama ni Helen. Pagsama kayo ni Helen.
Okay.
It's fine.
Pupunta ba yung
Run,
team ni
run,
Brunel
it's fine.
doon?
Punta daw tayo.
San?
Paano ko pa paluin
Straight
to?
to soil, guys, ha?
Nawala sila, Dave eh. Minta ka.
Puro slow.
Nasa 7. 7, nasa 7 yung main. Pero hindi nga pwedeng bawasan pa. Kayo lang dalawa talaga.
Slow
May nauuna sa amin hina isa na party ah. Hindi, si ano pala to.
7 seconds.
Ano,
Enter,
babasok
guys.
namin.
Enter. Enter on the right.
Rekta na kayo sa M.
Enter on the right side.
Papasok na ako ng yun.
Dito na kami nasa ako.
deadly pag ano, naliligaw.
Oh, hindi naka ano ko na 7 ako.
Did not blink.
Punta na kami sa M. Isa ako.
Enter on the right side, guys. We will push.
Pili pa yata tayo sa
Wait
Baba.
for my
bounty.
recall.
Tayo,
I will recall.
Anong lugar nyo, Doc?
7.
Moving 7 tayo ah.
Copy.
Equal.
Nag-equal yan ah, nag-equal yan.
Equal gas. Accept. Push to M, guys, ha? Don't stay there. Push to M. Push them to M, guys. Push to M. Do not stay there. Play at them.
Walking pa lang kami.
Imperium na
Hit
sila.
them, hit them, hit them. M, hit them. Nyangras and M,
Inner
please.
pa lang kami.
Ako rin man. Galing tayong ano man.
Ayun nga.
Okay, okay ah.
Okay ako daw.
Hit,
Mapaalam.
Hitters, hit them, please. Everyone else, Carrot, Nyangras them. So,
Pasunod na kami,
our
ah.
hitters will be the only one hitting.
Pasok tayo sa likod.
Heater na
Yeah,
sila.
use YGG guys ha, don't forget ha, YGG ha.
Teka, hindi ako makaano.
Huwag nyo kalimutan, pwede mag-YGG dito ah. 50%, may abutan tayo, Trag. Yes!
Dito na kami.
Yep, 50% guys.
Oo.
Yeah, parating na si Gepong.
Just survive.
Tara, Saya.
Waiting ako sa inyo, truck.
Dito na.
Ito na. Tara.
Guys,
FP.
Carrot,
Sige, meron tayo abutan.
Ang ina mo,
May
Rosahan.
nalaglag.
Ang ina mo.
38%.
Pinanood ko kasi sila. Hindi ko nakita yung
Nasaan yung palo?
character na
Ano natin?
Just play, just play.
Pareso ng ano.
Reso sa SM.
Yeah, taga.
Eto na ako ah.
31 guys, 31%, almost there.
Pushing ako.
31%.
Hindi na beso.
Nasa MP ako. Mag-SG ako sa MP.
You can move to the upper right of the M if you want to reposition.
Dito kami ni Glee eh.
Or right side of the M.
Mabubuno ako
Doon lang
sa-
sa M, plus 6 o'clock.
Glee, mukhang magpa-5 tayo, Glee.
11%, almost died.
Sige,
Almost
sige.
dead,
Puno
almost
ako.
dead.
Galaw ka 5, galaw ka 5.
Gusto the haters,
4%.
4%. Or?
Ay puta, iba na ako ah.
Ay, gago.
Wait.
Next one, guys.
Mukhang wrong mistake kami ni Glee sa hagdan ah. Puta ng
Sure.
kapal
Wala
ah.
ako sa Green Ninja.
Sorry.
Trag, ano nangyari? Nandun ka na.
Stop it.
Grabe na naglag yung support namin. Naglag yung support namin.
Wait.
Pinanood ko kasi sila eh.
Yun ang mali mo.
Wala yan yung character.
We get any.
Paano saan
Get
tayo?
23.
Wala, nakabang si ano, Dave.
Okay.
Sabi niya, shit.
24.
Meron pa 12 eh.
Confident pa
Guys, let's try 18, 1 minute.
18 daw, 18,
Let's see if we can
18.
enter.
Puta kayo
1
ba yun?
minute. Rush to M, guys.
Madaya kung alam ko nasan yung 18.
Try to rush M. There's 1 minute left.
Kanan.
Right side na right side.
18.
Bigtas na 17, 18 na.
1 minute.
Gago.
Galing.
Gago ka na.
Ignore other guild.
Eh,
Just rush
kasi
them.
may list naman, di ba?
Hindi ko binuksan yung list, be.
Tingin si map sa mapa.
Kala ko mas madali eh. Lalong tumagal eh.
Puno.
Sige lang.
Hindi lang, magbago
Up.
ako.
Hapsis na to, hapsis.
I entered.
Okay,
Kaya nilis
Kepong,
po.
okay.
Hindi ata abot.
Papasok.
Nakapasok.
Pasok na. Pwede pa.
Pwede pa ba? Ilang segundo na lang to.
17 seconds. Can we still try?
Bugan.
Gusto ko makapasok ako. Ay, ayaw pumasok. Ayan, nakapasok ako.
Ay gago, nag-teleport ako sa pader.
Kita ko yun.
Tang ina!
Kita ko yun. Eh,
Wala, GG.
It's fine. Let's wait for the...
Abangers tayo daw, abangers.
Let's wait for the next bounty. Come to Castle 3 again.
Castle 3.
Copy.
Doc, sinong papadala pag may pinabasag si Dave?
Si Brenil, tsaka si Kronos.
Come to Castle 3.
Ita-type nyo kay Kronos o dinig tayo ni Kronos?
Hindi ko nakikita. Yan, ah.
Nasa 3 ako ah.
Type nyo.
Type nyo na lang.
sa M.
Sa M pa ako.
Everyone, defend Castle 3 for now.
Kami din eh. Galing. Ako. Lagdal. Sa kabila.
Si Kronos.
Ayoko dito sa Nabutas. Malapot kayo.
Okay, basag sana yun, kaso nakita ko yung support namin kanina.
Ewan ko tsaka ba nanonood?
Malubog siya man.
Iba ang goal ni Cruzada.
Nag-dash in pa naman din ako pababa.
Let's wait for the next bounty guys, 2 minutes.
Sakit.
For now, try to defend 3. Maybe it will pull on us.
Ay, malas.
Sayang na, go
Counting
yung
kasi yung minimum.
Taking the rankings
Track yan.
again.
Akin.
Mad Monkeys and
Wait,
SBMT got
support.
the
Pwede mo ba sa akin?
level 2.
Madami ba yun?
We got
Dami.
1 and Borat got 1.
Sobrang dami nun.
Tai got 1. SBMT and Mad Monkeys got 2.
Dapat
So we need to
pinatagan niya, no?
get Castle.
Hindi na
Pinaka-out
pwede.
is...
Dave ba? Ay, Hiya. Si
MVP.
Kronos. Isabay na lang
I
natin
mean,
si,
we need to get this.
si party ni Brinil. Si Trag. Oh, wala kang tiwala kay Trag. Gusto ko si Maria.
Kahit sino ko.
Brinil.
Hopefully, it spawns on us or other castle. Or at the very least, every guild has no equal in this map. Because our equal is on cooldown. We cannot equal next bounty.
Next bounty, wala tayo
We can only equal on the third one.
Dito na. Yes sir.
We check the map again.
Nasa Castle 3 kami.
Everyone should be at Jadeport, Number 3 Jadeport. We're only 6
Paano?
Do not go to other
Ano
castle
yun?
first.
Sabi na eh.
Let's wait for the
Okay,
spawn.
papasok
Pero-
ka sa limited, tapos go, tapos may castle sa left side.
Castle list.
I-click mo yun. Castle list. Tapos yung 3, pindutin mo lang.
Wait for 45 seconds, guys.
Ah,
You can
go,
get
go.
your items again. Check your gears.
Check item daw.
Nasa baba ng katabi ng pet yung limited.
Check.
37 seconds.
Check-an ka na.
Check it. Na-check it mo na.
Letter mo.
Check it na.
Tapos,
Limited.
go.
Map. Sa map.
Pero mo overrun.
5.
Tapos castle list. I-click mo yung castle list sa left side.
Okay.
Sa gitna lang.
Yung 3. Yung 3.
Ay, Jade Fort 3.
Yan.
Ah.
10 seconds, guys. Ready.
Nasa M kami. Nagde-dem.
10 seconds sa kabang.
Brinil, Dan. Pwede kayo magsama ni
Ah.
Kronos or pwede kayo ulit.
1.
Ah.
And spawns. 7, 9. There's no nugget.
Bounty kasi. Hindi siya
Baka
Yeah,
lang.
22.
Bounty pa, bounty.
23, 22. Raid 2. Check 22 or 23 again. Raid 2.
22, 23,
Everyone
raid
else, we will go 9. Everyone else, we
Okay.
will go 9. Raid 2,
Nakabang,
send
nakabang.
two parties to 22 or
22
23.
tayo, Trag.
You can decide,
22,
guys. 22,
23
23, if
daw,
there's
two parties.
18 or 17 left,
Ah.
and 19, you can go as well.
Nakabang. 30 seconds.
After taking 22, 23. 19, 18, 17.
Sasama tayo
That's
sa main.
for raid 2 only, breaker of raid 2. Everyone else should be at number 9, chart siya.
Number 9 tayo.
Dito
22
tayo.
seconds. Number 9.
So, if we attack 9,
Brinil, 22,
breaker will
23
take
babasagin
22,
niya.
23. They will choose what castle to defend, okay?
22 tayo 22.
10 seconds ready FF.
There's no
Yeah.
level 3 bounty again.
Or 9 here.
4,
Kaya, kapya.
3 seconds.
Enter 9 now. Enter 9. Guys, enter 9. Go.
Loading.
Party ko pwede mag-FF.
Imperium na.
May kasabay, ah. May kasabay.
M na.
Run to soil.
Okay,
boss.
corner
Run to
natin.
soil.
Brinil, pag di kaya, lipat agad kayo doon sa
Diba?
23 kayo, 22 agad kayo.
Research, you can use elemental control
Loading
for
na
move
sa
speed.
Gepang punta na 22, Gepang.
Blink din elemental control, guys.
Ba't ba nag-rubber band?
So we can get to soil faster.
Quaging.
Upon checking the map. We can go straight to M, guys. There's no defender. Go straight to
Yung
M.
dalawang support, protect niya si Trag.
Wala daw defender.
Break, break, break.
Recta M tayo.
Kill natin yung
Rito F, then
Ah.
right.
Ikaw na yung pumatay.
Okay, let me check again while running.
Slaver.
There's no defender still. We can straight to M, guys.
Bonding. Sige,
Straight to M.
malambot. Sige.
Uy, naba.
Hitting ako. Marami,
Party yan,
sige, hitting.
Madami.
Oo, hitting ako. Andiyan si top eh. Sige, andiyan si top eh. Clearing ako.
4 na party dito.
Sige.
Mapapalo ko basta
Straight
nasa
break,
tabi ng
straight
ano.
break.
Imperium.
Mamatay na.
Okay, ba't
Kami here.
Patakik.
23. Huwag mong panic.
Ay, gagi, kumapit
Ina
kami
pala
yung
ng iPad.
SBMT. Lol.
Hindi, binitaw pan. 22, balik ko 22.
Okay.
Ay, hindi,
Sarapan
ayaw.
saya, sa sarapan saya, sarapan.
Ayaw, 23 na. 23 na.
They
Ayaw
right
pumasok.
plate. Nice.
Nag-ikaw sa 9.
Take.
Okay.
Yan, ako yan.
May makapasok kasi nag-flash
Fuck you, iPad.
Oo, nag-flash nga. 1 minuto ata ako
Wait,
doon.
I'm checking
Nag-equal
We
natin
can attack
SBM.
guys. Wait, let me check.
Nakabang.
Let's attack 22 guys. 22
22,
first.
22,
Go to
22.
22.
Pwede na ba ulit?
Makakapasok na.
22 is still
Go,
open.
go, go, go,
Straight to M.
22.
Straight
Ano
to
ba
M.
nangyari sa inyo? Nabag?
Kami.
Nag-flash.
Nagbasag yung SPMT ng other.
Ah.
Yung 23 nila. Natanggal.
O di,
Prior.
kami na gagawa ng trabaho niyo.
Ender sa
Andiyan,
ano.
Ako na yan.
Andito na.
Dito rin to pass.
Nag-flash eh.
Na-flashing kayo.
Ubus na namin. Ubus ko.
So, yung di nyo binasag.
You can go to 4. 2, then 4, then
Si Trag pala,
straight to
si
M.
Trag lang
No
yan.
need to go to 5.
Si Trag
There's
lang
no
yung
defender
ng
here.
MP.
Mataas
Dito
Ay,
rush.
pareso sa library.
Walang ano to ha.
Malayo na ako.
Recta M to, recta M. Walang defender to.
May kasabay.
Oo.
May kasabay.
Take them, take them.
Yakop.
Pukpukin nyo ha.
Guys, carrot the M, guys. So, we can wipe them. Carrot the
Paano
Yandras.
Mag-i-skill sa M.
Pinapakarot ha.
So, they cannot steal again.
Yep,
We got stolen last time.
nakakarat sa gitna mismo.
Nag-miniature ako.
Nice, nice.
Napalo.
Good job, good job. Just zone them, guys, ha? Do not chase, ha? Just zone. Do not chase. Only zoning, not chasing.
Zoning daw, zoning.
7%.
Zoning kanan, no? Kanan.
Tadtarin mo ng ano, ng stun skills niya.
Hero, nice.
Very bad!
The fuck? Guys,
Bad.
naman.
Kababa lang ng mga yun, no?
Paano nangyari ang dami nyo doon?
Oh my god, we got stolen again, guys.
Paano na stolen yun man? Di ko maintindihan.
Try to come to 7 again.
7,
Come
7,
to
7,
7.
7, 7.
Try to fight 7.
Outer,
Wala,
full
wala.
GG.
Second time stolen.
Ang problema, paano naagaw yun? Trag, hello?
Pasok na.
Hindi ko rin alam.
Come to 7, let's try.
Auto si Trag.
A lot of people here. If we cannot enter, just PvP. Until the next
Ngayon,
one.
babawas kami.
Nag-i-spam ko.
Sige, sinapak ko na yung nandyan nakarang.
Lucky, 2 times stolen sa atin.
Para sa inner.
Hindi, mang-wipe tayo dyan sa nangaba. Pwede naman.
Dito. Bago mag-inner. Dito, tambay.
Sige, ang dami. Boost natin yan.
Just, if you cannot enter, guys, just PvP until the end of timer. 19 minutes.
Yung soil or
There's too many people who cannot enter, I think.
Nasa inner naman.
Unsafe pool.
Inner na rin.
Aray, utang inang daming nakaabang sa inner.
Malas. Nice. 2 times na agaw.
Dami rin nagkarambulan dito sa outer.
Oh, nag-YGG sana, kita mo yun.
Oo.
Raise it ko.
Nakasunod ako. Yay.
Nakapasok ako, nasa M.
nakuha na namin yung soil. Nakuha na.
Sige, moving ka na.
Going.
Daming tao sa M.
Kakagulo dun sa outer.
Ay, gagi.
Kaputay na, may gera nga sa outer, oh, pa-inner.
Kaya nga eh.
Ano to?
Dami dito.
Weekend.
Nakapasok na akong inner.
Hindi ako makapasok, may mad
Pasadayin
bounty
tayo
sa
natin
ano.
sila dito. Tayin natin sila dito.
Fine, it's fine.
Tayin natin sila dito.
Once back.
Baka di tayo.
Saan ba sila?
Outer
Guys,
pa-inner
let's
ako.
go
Saan ka ba?
to 3. 3 again,
okay.
Go
guys.
to 3 daw,
Take
go
three
to 3
again.
daw, go to 3 daw. Change of plan, go to 3.
Oh, yeah.
Pinuha yung ano natin.
Wala na to.
Wala, 3.
Wala, go to 3. Mahinig. Wala na yan, go to 3 na eh.
Let's retake 3 from them. Hopefully, there's a level 3 bounty. Next one.
Kinuha yung utang ina. Kahit nasa safe zone na. Walang safe zone.
Ang lungkot nun ah. Paano naging ibang guild talaga yon?
Enders.
Sakto yung ano nila, yung pagbaba nila.
Kahit na, nauna tayo nakasetup eh.
Okay, run to him, guys. Run to him.
Correct
I
time
think
daw
there's no
gusto.
defender here. Yeah, there's no defender. Just run to him.
Walang defender daw.
Going.
We have 3 minutes to
Side na right.
position ourselves. Hopefully, there's a level 3 bounty.
Kanina. Tingnan natin.
I have equal ready when bounty spots.
Hindi ko na i-open yung map.
They're trying to depth. They're trying to depth.
Nagdep,
Dami,
nagdep.
nagdep.
Magpa-5 ako para sure.
Sada.
Teka.
Naloki
Naloki
ako.
ako.
Pareso
Naloki
atras
ako.
ako 5.
Oo.
Nasa may Imperium ako.
Dami.
Pupuno ako.
Nakaloki,
Marami
nakaloki.
ba dyan?
Madami.
Five.
tayo sa-
Going on 5. Going on 5. Going on
There's
5.
other
Ako.
slowly depending,
Teka
ah.
na.
Need more people. We should be at 4. People at 4.
Tara, baba tayo
People
konti
should be
yan.
at 4.
Parte ko. Sungkit.
Where are you guys?
Nasa 5 kami ha. Sumusundot na kami ha.
Nasa
Need at 4.
cinco, nasa
We will go to
cinco.
5. Go to 5. People at 4, go
Sa likod,
to 5.
Pinag-5
Go to
nila,
5, then push
pinag-5 nila.
Push the ladder.
Pushing ladder daw. Kahit
Push
hagdan
the
to.
stairs. Go, go, go.
Oh,
Push
ginawa
the-
niyo ng
push
stairs
down,
yung
push down.
ladder.
Push them down, guys.
Okay, copy,
We can push them down.
Pwede po, nasa M.
Baba.
Saya, reso daw si Bar.
Okay. Go down, guys. Go down. Don't stay
Let's
up. Ano?
res-
Don't stay at the stairs. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Push them. Go
Ba't ka
down.
lumalim ng ganun? Ha, sa M pa puta.
Okay, go down, guys.
Aningga!
Kaya yung si Ace.
Gago, patay din si
If you have Loki,
Saya.
you can Loki them pa. Loki them.
Ang
Run to
dami.
M, then Loki. They're stacking at them.
Paper resume.
If you have Loki, go, go,
Zombie
go.
dog mo ako.
Ang dami yun. Dami Loki.
Nakaloki.
Kaya lang nakalokay pa rin.
Kaya ako makareso.
Loki them, then Dorams, use Carrot on them.
So, yun
Nareso
na.
na.
Carrot and Yangra.
Dami talaga.
Saan ka
Push,
Trag?
guys. Push,
Ay,
push.
puta,
Go,
saan
guys.
kayo?
Nasa wetland pa ako, hindi pa ako lumalalo.
Guys,
Baba lang
push.
siya, oo. Nasa baba lang
Soil
siya.
na lang mi.
Hindi pa ako lumalalo. Dito lang ako sa may hapon.
Push them, guys. Push, 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 push.
Pushing tayo ha.
Continuous skill ah.
Should be able to
Yeah,
push them.
pushing pa rin.
Pare, so lower hagdan.
Loki na naman
Loki
pa.
na.
Naloki. Hindi ako makareso.
Nasa taas na nahalalo.
Umakit na sila.
Ah, guys, don't stay at the stairs. Push, push, push.
Kailangan
push
daw
towards-
natin i-push.
towards them.
Huwag kayong manitili dyan. Huwag kayong manatili
Push to the
dyan.
left side.
Pinapapush
Go.
tayo ni Dave.
Go down,
Pinapapush
go
tayo
down,
ni
go
Dave.
down.
Waiting lang ako, Rezo.
Don't stay at
Oh,
top of the stairs.
Saya, saan ka pupunta?
Go down left.
You can push, you can push.
Go down left daw. Go down left. 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 Down.
Iwan
Down
kami
na,
sa
down na,
ayan.
down na,
Yan,
down na.
Carrot, Carrot.
Matras na sila Sen. Loki na.
Okay, nakaloki lang.
Loki, may
Loki,
Loki.
you can Loki them.
Monte ako.
Eating lang.
Yung mga skills na
Oh, go to the right of the M, guys.
Right
You're
of the M
starting
daw.
on the left. Go to the right. We can stack at the right.
Right of the M. Sige, nandito si Esa.
Hindi natin kaya. The fuck?
Hindi kaya.
May nalaglag pa nga.
Lag.
What happened?
Pare, so ulit.
Fine, revive, guys. Revive.
Saan ka banda?
We will attack one. Revive. Ignore. Go to one.
Go to 1 daw. Go to 1 daw. Go to 1. Go to 1. Go to 1.
Just
Magpalaglag
revive,
kayo.
revive,
Palaglag.
wait for the, ano,
Palaglag
wait 1
tapos
minute.
1.
We will all jump on one.
Magpalaglag na kayo.
Yep.
We need to
nasa
take one.
dungeon na.
30 seconds para sa 1.
Party, raid 2. 22, 23, 21.
22, 23, 21, raid 2.
And 10. You can
Okay,
check.
22.
Those who will break
22 tayo
21, 22, 23, 10 ha. Check if
22
there's no
going
people.
Party ko
Jump to
magte-10.
the ano.
Castle 1 bag, Castle 1 bag.
Castle
Borha
1
take
bag. Cancel.
Looking.
Bobong borat. Cancel 1 guys, we will go to 5. Cancel 1, we will go to 5.
Party ko, ready. Number 10.
Wait. Don't enter yet.
Five seconds.
Magpa 5 tayo pag nag-fail.
22.
5 pag fail.
Guys, 10 guys. 10. Cancel 10. We will go to 10. 10.
Puta, naki-10 si
Let's go
Dave.
to 10.
Dami
Go to
natin
10, go to
kasama.
Dami
Run
SBT
to 10
pre.
guys. Run 10.
Lipat na tayo, 23.
Run.
Lipat na. 23, lipat na. Bigay na yan. 23.
Okay. We're on 10. Thank you for the info, Sabag.
Tatlong
Run to 10
party,
guys,
ay
run
apat
to
na
10,
party
susunod.
itong 23
Straight.
Good luck.
Tatagam na lang.
Speed.
It's only one defender,
Nasa ka Ace? Nasa ano ka kagad? Inner?
Raid 2 ha, only 2 parties should take Castle 1 ha. I need you
Ang bilis.
Castle 10.
Tapo eh.
Oo
Raid
nga.
1, 22,
Nakauwi
23,
siya eh.
only 2 breakers.
Bilis ang puta.
23 na ako.
Bagay na.
Bagay na.
Tapak full.
Nasa M na ako. Nasa M na
Tapak
ako.
bag.
Ay,
Pagpura lang to, tapo eh.
Ito na.
Check mo lang lahat.
Pagpasok ko puta, legit
Just
nasa
wiggle,
library.
just try to wiggle. If I enter, I will equal.
Tinitira na.
M
Mag-i-equal daw to ah.
Just try to wiggle guys, try to wiggle.
Kaya namatay.
Mag-wiggle daw tayo. Wiggling papasok.
Wiggle
Ah.
sa ano.
Lasitin mo lang. Trag.
Wiggle sa M.
Naglalag ako.
Try ko sa kaliwa.
Inahantay ako ng tatlong party. Gagamisan nyo.
Puta, Emperor.
Nahabol ako.
Mag-i-equal daw to ah.
Wiggle.
Anong agit kayo?
5. Hindi, kaya nga pinapa-wiggle.
Castle, channel, full kasi lahat nasa to.
Ay, sorry. 10 pala to. Sorry, Brunel.
Let's try to wiggle guys, let's try to enter.
Nag-double load.
May wiggling.
Sa right portal.
Puno pa, puno.
I got in.
Hindi ako
Let's
makapasok.
wait.
Ay na, wala nag-raise zoo. Nasa M daw.
Wind na lang tayo.
Still have 3 minutes, it's fine. Just try to wiggle in.
Oo, hindi makapasok. Wiggling lang yan, wiggling. Abangan natin yung eagle.
Checking how many defenders.
Tapakan natin
Zero,
itong
zero.
soil.
Okay. I will equal at them.
Mag-eagle sa
Enter
Empa.
guys, enter. Fuck, pull them. Let
Outer
me
area.
wiggle. So I can enter. Get the towers first, tower first. If you
Okay
can
lang.
Ay,
enter.
nakapasok na.
Pasok.
Okay, I got in. Wait. I got in.
Mag-eagle.
Mag-equal.
Outer area.
Wag ka wala na
Outer area pa
I
rin.
got in guys. I got in.
Papagod na lang ako.
Ayan na, eagle. Kuha.
Equal, accept.
Nice.
Okay, break guys ha. We should be able to take this.
Nasa M, nice.
Putay na,
There's
nasa
only one
walang
phoenix.
ano.
Tayo na yan.
Walang defender. Katulad nung ginagawa ng
Okay,
ano,
take.
ng YY.
Ba't di makapasok?
Hindi makapasok.
Uy.
Si Saya na.
Me again.
Tumpag.
Me again.
Puro
Stupid
sa'yo,
pag.
ah.
There's still...
Teka, meron pa yatang bounty.
Meron pa.
There's no more castle guys.
19.
Let's go to 19.
19.
Just PvP at 19.
PvP 19.
Dami ng 19 man ah.
Dami niyan.
PvP
Sobra.
19 nga daw.
Let's go,
PvP
Uber.
19.
Hindi nga makapasok.
Di na
Super
mapasok.
crowded.
No. Don't enter 19 na lang.
Crowding na daw.
Puka.
Let's take one nga. Let's take one.
One daw, one.
Let's capitalize. Take one guys, take one.
Going one. Juman?
One.
Na.
Oh, lol.
50%.
The enemy sa Borhat. Eventually Borhat.
Oo, paano ka mag-emp niyan?
So let's take one.
Bilis
We'll
ng
be able to
perfor.
take top one.
Ilan moves mo, Saya?
Hacker yan. Kuniwalang nasa emp yan.
200.
Ang ina nasa library na ang puta.
Triple star ML.
Kalokohan.
Triple star ML.
Kahit siguro sa Adam, bilis din eh.
Nasa 1 ha, God.
Push them guys, push them.
Na.
Push them.
Walang Borhat.
Meron isa. Parang
Okay.
taga-mata lang.
Straight. If there's no enemy, just run to 4. 4 the them. No need to go to 5.
Baby.
Naglag.
Lag.
Tunog dalaglag.
Nice one.
Nice one,
Nice one, Nice one.
Automatic.
Pag malalaglag, huwag ka na mag-react.
Hindi ko kayang di
Ay gago, mali ako napindot. Sohi.
Nice Kepong.
Wow.
Noob
That-
tag.
Guys, let's spread We will, spread breaking.
Mag-spreading daw tayo ha.
For raid 2, you will go to 98765.
98765, raid
Will
2.
come to me. We will go 12, 4, 5.
9.
Rotation clockwise.
9 mo na?
Raid 1 will
Ah,
clockwise.
parang
Raid 2 will counterclockwise.
9?
Hello?
Counter tayo, counterclockwise tayo.
Let's start from 12. Raid 1, 12. Raid 1, 12.
Ano dito?
Okay, galaw.
Raid 1 start from 12.
9.
Ba na? Takbo.
9 or at 9.
Raid 2 you can start from 8. Raid 2 you can start from 8. Raid 1 start from 12. Let's multi-break guys.
CK
9 minutes. If there's a lot of people on the castle, you can skip If there's a lot of people on 8, you can skip 8, go to 7 or 9.
So ang gagawin, ika-clockwise lang natin. Pag maraming tao,
Castle to
skip.
status, no defender.
Nasa 9
That's our
kami.
goal.
9 na
M
tayo.
na, 9.
Ah,
We'll
okay.
take 5 castle
May
tools.
nagdadap dito.
We will see if
Sa right side.
at Borak
Tayo
that
natin yan.
them. Fine.
Dami din tayo.
Nasa
Guys,
kasaya, M?
go to 4 first.
Mag-respawn yan sila.
Go to 4, raid 1, go to 4.
na.
Raid 1, go to 4. Go to 4.
Rekta Emp, no? Rekta Emp.
Madami sa
Nasa emp ako, kanan.
O, di
I
mag-5
like
tayo. Gusto nyo
improve
mag-5?
kanan.
Going ako sa
Raid one,
going
go to
5 na ako.
5.
Lasing ko na.
So,
Okay,
five ako.
kita kit sa'yo 5. Glee, mag-teleport ka na lang pa 5.
Raid 2, good luck. You decide where to go.
Susungkit na ako sa nila.
Ay, gago!
Ay, nasa mungkit.
Eh, gago ka.
On 4 guys, we will straight
Sarili
F.
ko kinapos.
I think there's no defender.
Ang tapang ni Ace, Trumecta
Just straight
F.
F.
Push natin.
Baba lang.
Nandito ako sa ano.
We are-
Lagpasan nyo yung 5.
We have more points than them. We just need more castles.
Baba na.
Nasa
We should be able to have 5.
Okay, boba.
Just keep on breaking him. Just keep on breaking him.
Patingin nga kung ano.
Hagdan. Tulak niyo yung hagdan. Tulak niyo yung hagdan.
Labas tayo, huwag tayo dito.
Ah, sige. Moving 8 tayo. Moving 8.
8.
Sayang oras.
52 yan, 52 na tao yan. Hindi na kaya.
Okay.
Moving
You're at
8.
left na. Your pet, I think you can switch to Baphomet.
Kasi wala tayong...
So you will have faster M damage.
Bawal.
Kagago, atin to eh.
Ayan, nakapasok ako.
Okay.
Atin to.
Ay,
To Baphomet and Bards, you can use Serenade if there's no enemy.
7.
Baphomet plus Serenade.
Moving 7.
You can use the damage for the Gipsy. I don't know what it's called.
Inag yan.
Nice one, good job. Let me check where we will go next.
Talaga,
4 after
correct
2 and verse 7. Wait Let's go
Kanino
11
to?
guys, 11. 11, raid 1, 11.
Mad
Raid 1,
monkeys,
go
okay.
11.
So nag-uusap na sila, nag-11 na sila tayo, ikot.
Tayo 7.
Okay, straight to break again,
Saya pag nauna ka sa M,
Just
kwento
keep
mo
on
sa
breaking.
makapal.
Basilis is,
Crew!
we have 3 yes.
Sabi niya si Kay.
Crew.
Okay, straight time guys.
Baliw.
Oy, nandito kami ni Kronos, wala kaming kasama.
Lakas nung tambol, ang hina nung sige niya.
Checking again, checking the map.
Hindi,
You
ikaw
have
lang
8.
din nakarin eh.
Hindi, malakas nga yung tambol. Dun.
Let's take 11.
Mga ganun yun sa akin.
Straight time guys just break.
Nasa M.
We need more castles than SBM, TA, and BAT.
Ay,
And
puta.
Borat.
Yan.
Magbaba po din ako.
Hiting ako Borat. Hiting ako Borat. Hiting ako Borat.
Patay. Agawan pa kami ha. Kanina pa kami naagawan. Tabing. Sayang na naman. Galaw. Sais. Ikot lang ng ikot.
May yan tao may Borat Dalawang pa. Apat.
Labol. Galaw.
Ay, gamit ng Borat.
Dami.
Okay yan, masaya yan. Kita tayo, winner.
11.
Batuhan nyo ng skill ha.
After taking 11, raid 1 will go to 12. Raid 1 go to 12. After taking 11.
Yan, sige.
Go to 12 guys, go to 12. 12.
May YGG ha, huwag nyo kalimutan ko YGG.
4 minutes left guys, we will do this for 4 minutes more.
4 minutes tayo mag-iikot-ikot ha.
Okay.
Winner na po.
Nasa sigli?
Dito, sa likod. Ang si Doc.
Outer?
On pull down until the game ends.
Pabalik.
YGG.
May
F na kami ng para pick.
Sila yan, ano yan, Borat yan. Kaliwa tayo.
Straight to M guys Straight to M on 12.
Kaliwa tayo, rekta. Kaliwa rekta.
Raid 2 comes, they have comes on the bottom side. We won't need to worry about that.
Dali. 40 na lang. 40% na lang.
I need raid 1 to follow me here.
30.
Huwag na tayo mag-5 trag. Huwag ka na mag-5. Wala tayong oras mag-5 trag. Ah, shit!
Hindi ako abot.
Walang white.
Gawang paraan. Master. Click mo yung master. Nice one! Hindi tayo nagduda. Okay, galaw tayo. 5.
No doubt.
Enders, breaking enders.
Puro
They're defending 10, so it's fine.
Oo nga.
Wala yatang defender to.
Kasi yun rin daw kasi.
Zio din kasi minsan.
4. We can go to 4. After taking, we can go to 4.
Lapag-lapag ka ng
After
quagmire,
breaking, go to 4.
habang
Raid
galaw.
1 Go to 4, raid 1.
Anti-drug.
After taking, go to 4. Okay, 2. Jump to 4,
Winner
jump
na
to 4,
ako.
raid 1. Jump to 4, raid 1. Raid 2, you don't need to go to 4. Check nyo yung Borat raid 2.
Yung raid 2, wag daw
Okay,
magpo-4 ha.
double check.
Pa-4 yung 1.
Check 8.
Sige.
Raid 2, 8 after getting 5,
Mas
get 8.
naman na tayo,
Raid
diba?
2. Raid 1, go to
Pagkatapos ng 5,
Raid
8.
2M.
Okay.
Kopya kayo ha.
8 sunod na ito.
Diba?
Walang tao sa F.
5, 8. Okay.
Magbe-blink, may magbe-blink.
4, 5, 8.
Ayun.
Tapos, nandun yung dulo ng araw
Need to take SBM.
Kita kayo magbe-blink eh.
May pwesto.
Sorry, raid 1, sorry. Raid 1. Jump to gate port now. Jade Fort. Raid 1 attack Jade Fort. Cancel
Ayun,
the
oh.
attack raid Jade Fort raid 1, sorry. Pass. 2 minutes.
Kailangan na ata didikit ka sa edge na edge naman.
We need to remove
Ocho.
Jade Fort so we can be number 1 from SBMT.
Go ahead.
I think we can make it 2 minutes.
Wala tayong
We can make it
border.
for 2 minutes.
Walang
guys.
kadikit. Walang
Attack
kadikit.
raid,
Tingnan mo
pattern
kayo,
1.
Ocho.
Kasi pwede tayo mag-4.
Raid 2,
Nag-change
just do
plan
your
sila
thing.
Hindi kailangan natin maghanap ng SPFT eh.
Eh di Borat na lang sa 7.
Spam na movement skill guys ha. Spam your movement skills.
Sabi mo 7 pa
7 tayo,
We have
7.
1 minute 30 seconds. We need to be fast.
Babasagin nila yung ano eh. Yung Jade. Sila Dave, kaya nawalan ng 4.
Harry.
Si Harry daw, tawagin niyo si Harry.
Campas. Elite team, Campas.
Hanap ni Dave si
Jade
Harry.
Fort. We need to push Jade Fort. Straight to him. Jade
Sabi
Fort,
niya,
straight to
Harry.
him. We have 1 minute to break.
Harry daw, Harry.
Baka si Harry Potter nga.
Aliw!
Sabi ko sa inyo, tulungan niyo ako.
The beat hit them.
Kailangan dinigyo din si Dave eh. Tayo na Jay. Ang lakas yung tambol ko dito
Ayun
eh.
si Doc. Ayun si
Tatawa
Doc.
ako.
There's only a few people here, oh. They're all dying. We can hit them, guys. Focus them.
39 na.
Also, can focus them. Can you focus them?
Anong sunod natin dito, Doc?
Wala, yan, bilis.
Yung ano, yung...
39, please, please.
If you can focus them, please focus them. We have 50 seconds.
Madami Sam.
Need to break it.
50 seconds, 50 seconds. O teka, sabay-sabay tayo.
Oh shit. 5.
Tingko tara.
Sinusundan ako.
Okay, moving 5.
Sakit.
7. Can we make it?
Ang dami
Tangina,
ng
puro
singko.
Borat.
Ang dami ng-
Sige lang, dahan-dahanin natin. Defend 5. YGG.
Defend nila.
Five.
Dito namin si
Emperor is equal.
Yeah. Emperor recall.
Okay, ready.
Let's try to steal.
Pushing tayo, dahan-dahan. Pushing tayo. Slowly lang. May 16 seconds.
Hopefully,
Pasok lahat ng ano, pasok lahat. Wala na pala oras, wala. I lied, I'm a liar. Zeyu, Gepo, everybody. 8 seconds. Gawin yung trabaho. Pareso daw. Ang kapal ng Borat.
We drop down.
Ang dumami gago.
Holy shit.
Ay, pero mo ko man.
May check what's happened. Tatapos bigla yung war.
Paper rest.
Ang daming Borat, gago.
Dami.
Gagi na, ano pa tayo? Nag-number 4 pa tayo.
Schedule. Yeah, let me check
SG. Oh.
Tapos yung war. It's fine. Nice try, guys.
Okidoki. Tayo number
Nice
5.
try.
Mad Monkeys, Enders.
GG, nice try.
SBMT.
Nice one.
Oh, Borat 6. Oh, number 4 tayo, tol.
Thank you.
Short lang.
Kasi
GG,
ang
guys,
daming
don't
time
forget
Borat
the
dun.
box on time. I mean Guildhall.
Damn.